Good day, folks. This is another daily review video for the S Group Investment Company. Let me see, check my video log here. So it looks like we're on video 14 or 15 rather. Yeah, this is review video 15. Doing this like a day or two after the fact. Got busy with a bunch of things, so I wasn't able to get a video. But a lot has happened here, guys, from my last video. In this video, you'll see, because it's actually Monday right now. So on Friday, I didn't do a video for Friday, so I'm doing one right now. Sorry about that. But this is the earnings for Friday. It was 0.43%. So I made 44.44 on the money I had invested. Also, what I did Friday, guys, is I combined my two investments that I had. Not this one, but I had another one here combined with a different amount. I combined them both. What that did was that put the money at the very top here at the cash balance. Now, when it's up here, guys, I do have access to withdraw the money and, basically transfer to my checking account, and then I can use it. But I'm not actually doing that right now. I'm still in the building phase. I'm just compounding all my money. So I took all this money up here and I made a brand new investment, which came to $471. So now my grand total is here. You can see it's 13,800. So I'm building up now. I should be able to hit 14,000 sometime this week, guys. And I'm thinking once I get to around 15, 16,000, I'm going to start doing withdrawals. So I figured it out with $16,000 in here, guys. Per week, I'll be making roughly around $300 US per week. So that's kind of what I want to get into, because what I want to do is combine every 2 weeks. So I'll have 600, I'll take 300, reinvest, and then I'll pocket the other 300, and I'll just continue to do that. 50% of my earnings every 2 weeks. So that's kind of my goal, guys. As you see here, I'm at 9,646.07. This is my all-time earnings since I've started the system. So we're basically, actually tomorrow's the last day of the month. So let's just say we're in June of 2022. I started this account in October of 2020, guys. So since October of 2020 till June of 2022, which as you guys can see, it's just over a year and a half. This is how much money I've made in the system. And yeah, it just keeps it just keeps compounding on autopilot, guys. All you have to do is just have money in here and let the robot do its thing. It's an intelligently programmed robot that does the Forex trading for you guys. So you don't have to know anything about Forex, stocks, anything like that. All you have to do is put your money in here and the system will make money automatically for you guys. So if you guys have any further questions about how all this works, the link is in the description to sign up, as well as my email address is in the description down below. Shoot me an email. Let me know you checked out some of my videos. Tell me where you're from, and I would love to communicate with you guys and get you up to speed on this company called S Group. It's growing. When I started, they only had the Forex market available. As now you guys can see, they have medical cannabis available, IPO. This is a stock investment, so you're investing your money in various stocks that trade automatically for you. And liquidity mining is their own token system, which actually earns money as well. So this is like 3 different conversations, 3 whole different topics. So this is just a 5-minute daily review video. So as you see, when you guys come into the system, you can start at any level. For me, I started at the first level here. I had like $200 or $300 in there to test it out. And then I saw how awesome the system is. And then I just built up my account. I actually put in $4,000 over a 6-month period, which brought me up to $5,000, because over the 6 months I made an extra $1,000. So, and then I just let it ride since 5,000, guys. So now, as you see, I'm at 13.8 from 5,000. I haven't put any money in there since 5,000. So it's an incredibly great system, guys. There's people in India. There's people in the Ukraine. There's people all over the world. I have a buddy in Trinidad and Tobago. He's got money invested in here. So all over the world, you can invest in this opportunity to make money automatically. Passive income, as they say. It's perfectly legal because it's done on the Forex market, the foreign exchange market. So, excuse me, guys. If you have any further questions, like I said, shoot me an email in the description down below. Click on the link in the description down below to sign up. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the very bottom of the video. That way you can see all my future videos and all my progress as I go through the weeks and the months. So that concludes my 5-minute daily review video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.